Welcome to this quick tutorial. Again, I'll give a few tips and hints around superknob assignments in existing performances. This second part focuses on merging performances and is related to our Music Production Guide Issue 3 2019. If you want to learn more, be sure to read this issue because this video is just an addition to it. You will find some information about the Music Production Guide in common at the end of this video, as well as the link in the description. A basic thing that I highly recommend is that you know each single part performance before you go to merge them. In this example, I'd like to combine two single part performances to a new split performance, but as recommended, I like to check them first as single part performance. So I go to a piano first and I choose the S700 for montage. First of all, I want to hear what it sounds like. And then I want to check if there's some important assignment to the superknob. It seems that there's nothing special. It is also a good idea to check how a single part performance sounds without the system effects, because they are shared by all parts, and therefore at least the merged parts will maybe sound different. There is a quick way to do it by going to the utility, effect switch, and then I turn off everything except the insert effects, because the insert effects belong to the part. Now I am going to turn on everything again, and I will search for the second performance I want to work with. Let's hear what this sounds like and what is assigned to the superknob. In my personal opinion, delay is not important for an organ. So my decision is clear. I want to start this combination of parts with the piano part. Now I am going to add the organ as part 2 in this performance. Then I'll make it a split performance using the piano for the left hand part and the organ for the right hand. To play chords with the left hand, I need to transpose the piano part up to 12 semitones. So I select part 2, go to Edit, select Pitch and Note Shift and set it to +12. The organ part has lost its superknob assignment, which is good in this case. The reason is that the common assignment is taken from the first loaded performance. I will now balance the volume of both parts a little bit, just quick. Then I will store this performance as a new version. Just to be sure that we don't miss anything, let's quick take a look at the superknob page. Everything is fine there, so I go to the common control assignment page of the performance. And since I don't need the assignment for the piano part, I will delete it. Just to be sure, I activate Auto Select to see that there's really no assignment still left. I want to now assign the speed control of the organ part to the superknob. And in order to do this, I select the part. I go to Edit, I select Effect, Insert Effect A, and the speed control. Now I can use the Control Assign button to make the quick assignment. The dialog is asking me what controller I want to assign, and I just turn the super knob. As you can see, nothing happens except I got the message assign enable knob full. Why does this happen? Didn't I delete all common assignments? That's the reason why I recommend to check all assignments first, which I didn't for the organ part, but of course I can do it now. We are in part 2, so I go to Modulation Control and Control Assign. I'm going to set the filter to all, and this brings up all assignments in this part. It starts with the modulation wheel. This is what I want to assign to the super knob. But let me show you all other existing assignments first. On the second page, it starts with assign enable knob 1, 2, 3, 4. Next page, 5, 6, 7. That's a different one. And there's number 8. So all 8 part assign enable knobs are used in this scenario. And for that reason, there's no chance for this quick assignment to use one of the occupied assign enable knobs. So if I like to use this quick assignment, I need to delete something here. So I am going to take a look for something to delete, and I will go for the reverb send. So now one of the 8 part assign enable knobs is available again, and I can use the quick assignment to assign the speed control. In this case, you can see the polarity is set to bipolar, which is taken from the previous assignment. To use it for speed control, which is a switch, it is recommended to use a unipolar curve. I also bring up the ratio to 32, which is a kind of default setting for this kind of assignment. Of course, I can now also use the FC7 to control the speed. For this next example, I'm going for a piano and pad combination. This time I'd like to assign the pad's volume and in addition the cutoff frequency, but just at the end of the super knob's range. First of all, I want to combine the piano and the pad using existing single part performances. I'll do a quick sound check first. The pad is a little bit too loud, while the piano's volume has to be increased. For the pad, I will bring the volume all the way down, because we want to assign it to the super knob. Again, a quick check. So far, so good. Now we want to have the cutoff be opened a bit and just at the end of the super knob's range. In order to do this, I select the part, go to Edit, and then I select element number 1, and next the filter and the cutoff frequency. Again, I can use the quick assignment, but without any changes, it will open the cutoff related to the linear curve that is assigned there. To affect the cutoff just at the end, I need to change the shape of the curve, which can be done using parameter 1. A value about 9 or 10 will do the job. Maybe I should reduce the ratio a little bit. And there we go. The volume of the pad is still too high, so I reduce also the ratio of this assignment. That's it for now. I hope you found this small tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.